You need to do mortgage stuff. Buy a house, refinance the one you already have, renew. Whatever it is, you now need to decide how you're going to get it done. The traditional way is to go to your bank and sit in an office and talk to whoever's there. And that'll work to some degree. But you also know that brokers are there for a reason and you're thinking of calling one to help you out. Well, like in any relationship you enter, business or otherwise, it pays to know a little bit about the reality of the person you're meeting. In this video, I'm going to give you some insights on our job and what sort of things make us love you and also not love you so much. So let's dive in. Hi, my name is David Ponce and I'm your friendly neighborhood mortgage broker from Montreal, Quebec. On these videos, we explore mortgages and all their quirks and features, and we also learn a little bit about finance and credit. If you never want to miss any of these fascinating videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and most importantly, hit that bell icon so you get notified when I post. Let me first give you a little bit of general information about the three types of people you might speak to when wanting to do mortgage things: the financial advisor, the mortgage specialist, and the mortgage broker. Let's start with number one. If you're walking into a bank and making an appointment with someone in an office, you've usually been assigned a financial advisor. These guys do all kinds of things, and unless they've been there for a while, they don't always do all of these things really well. Especially mortgages, because those can be complex. These guys are very often jacks of all trades and masters of none. If your request is simple though, you might still be okay. You should know, however, that most big banks also have entire departments of folks whose only job it is to process mortgages. They are called mortgage specialists or mortgage advisors, but never ever mortgage brokers. The word broker, like the word champagne, is protected. These guys are usually pretty good at their job, and they can handle all kinds of mortgage-related requests. Bonus, they'll be able to give you slightly better rates than the financial advisor at the same bank. However, you will be limited to whatever it is that particular bank can do. And as we've learned in previous videos, or if you're new here, please watch other videos to discover this, banks can differ dramatically in what they can do. So that's where mortgage brokers like myself come in. We deal with a lot of banks, and we can usually handle any type of request. We can shop around for better rates, and we can tell you when you're getting a bad deal. We work for you, not for the bank. That said, if we're gonna work together, let's try to make it pleasant. As promised, here's a list of things we love and hate to see. Number one, do send all your documents quickly if you want your file processed quickly. It sounds obvious, but if I had a nickel for every time I was asked, how's my file doing, and I still haven't even gotten your pay stub, well, I'd have a lot of nickels. Number two, do try to be organized and send only the documents that we requested. It happens a lot that clients will send a pile of documents, and somewhere in there are bits and pieces of what's needed. Making an effort to sort, filter, and order documents is really super appreciated. Number three, do try to make clear scans or pictures. We need to be able to read your document. It needs to be well lit, in focus, and unobstructed. We're not trying to be difficult. The bank's just gonna reject them if they can't read them. Number four, do tell us the entire truth about your financial situation. You're not gonna pull a fast one on us. You'd be shocked at the amount of things we can find once we start analyzing. But it's our job to present your file with its best foot forward. And we can't do that if you're hiding things. Remember, we work for you. Number five, do tell your friends about us if you liked our work. Like any business, referrals are super appreciated, and it's probably the best way to thank us. Now, here's a few things that grind our gears. Number one, don't make us work an entire file and then decide to go with another option. Of course, do anything you'd like, you're the client. But please realize that we don't get paid unless your mortgage goes through. It's not very nice to make someone work for free, and it happens, unfortunately, a lot. Number two, don't take a picture of just part of the document. We're not asking you to prove that you have a document. Sending us a picture of the header and nothing else, well, it has to be the entire document. Number three, don't buy us gifts if you're happy with our services. We're licensed brokers, and sadly the AMF is pretty strict about us following our ethics guidelines. So the best gift, as mentioned above, is to spread the word about us. And so that's it. These are a few of the things you should know when getting ready to do business with a mortgage broker. For more videos like this, tune in next time.